Yes, hello traders and welcome back to Trade Like Skills channel. Are you always wondering how I'm making these profits each and every day whenever I'm trading or whenever I set zones? Most of the times, market respects my zones. In this video, we're going to look at how you can combine liquidity and imbalance plus the direction of the market in order to get a good entry in the market. And I'm going to show you how this entry made me 5,000 US dollars in one day. And if you're interested in understanding this simple strategy, then make sure you stick around and watch this video till the end, because I'll even show you the screenshots of the trades that I took on this entry. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to this channel so that you can't miss more teaching videos that are coming soon.
Want to trade like the pros? Join my free Telegram channel where I reveal the actual trades we've taken, the powerful strategies behind them, and the results that speak for themselves. It's also your direct gateway to my exclusive mentorship and VIP program, where traders are leveling up fast. Don't miss this chance to learn, grow, and win. Tap the link in the bio or description to join free today.
So without wasting much time, let's get started. First of all, you have to understand what imbalances are. And imbalances are rapid movements in the market. And these movements will leave a gap between candles. And we can see something like that. So there is a candlestick here that is having a gap. Like we can see a candlestick before this one was formed, and the candlestick after this one was formed, there was a gap. I think you can see this candlestick is not meeting this candlestick. So this zone is what we call imbalance. And I think you can see even here there is imbalance, and also here there is imbalance differently from other candlesticks. And also here there was imbalance. So sometimes the market tends to come back to fill those zones and then continue to the direction that it was taking. And not only that, we can also see there was also an impulsive move around here. So those are all imbalance zones as long as there is a fair value gap or a gap between the two candlesticks. Like the first candlestick before that imbalance candlestick was formed, and the next one can't meet. So the other thing we're going to look at is liquidity, of course. Like we said, liquidity is money, and liquidity are your stop losses. So wherever you take trades, or whenever you take trades, of course you'll set trades, or you will set stop losses. And if, let's say, a buyer was entering from here and is targeting a higher high, of course they are setting stop losses around here in order to go to the higher zones. So anytime the market will come to sweep those stop losses and sweep them or take them as liquidity, and then they end up losing, or if they set BE, well and good. So those are the stop losses, and that's what we call liquidity. So most of the times the market is hunting for liquidity. Let it be the sellers who entered from here, they left liquidity around here, which are stop losses, and also the buyers who entered from here left liquidity around here, which are stop losses. So what is going to happen here now? What I'm going to look at is the order block. Now I'm having an order block around here. Why should I mark this as my order block? Because it's the last order block after all imbalances can be filled and all liquidity can be taken away. So this is the zone that I'm going to mark as my zone, or my zone of interest, or point of interest. So this is what is going to happen. The market is going to come to this zone, and then we take our trades. And this zone, you can see this order block as a huge order block, but it's a small zone. We are not risking more than 30 or 20 pips on this zone in order to target for 70 to 100 pips. So this is, let me mark it as our zone that we are waiting for in order for the market to come to this zone, and then we take our entries. But I can show you that this zone is not a huge zone. Let's see the price range around here, and you can see very well that these are just 20 pips from there up to here. And if you are targeting the higher zones, we are targeting around, firstly we are targeting around 69, 70 pips and 100 pips. So why should we target 100 pips? Mostly every day on my trades I target 90 to 100 pips. So at least let's target 90 pips for this trade. and this would be a better one. So this is a 90 pips trade, and I'll show you the screenshots of this trade that we took, and you will see how we took this trade. So this is what is happening now. We're going to play this out and we see what happened. We are risking little in order to get more profits.
If you've been jumping from one free strategy to another and still can't find consistency, it's time to change how you learn. I've created an advanced mentorship at skillsfxuniversity.com, built for traders who want real mastery, not recycled content. Inside, I show you exactly how I break down the markets, catch precise entries, and grow consistent results, without indicators or guesswork. And here's the game changer. When you join the Profit Accelerator, you get a free $10,000 funded account. When you join the Mastermind Access class, you receive a free $100,000 funded account. No extra fees. This is for serious traders only. Tap the link in my bio or check the description below to get started today. Let's build your breakthrough.
Let me remove this one so that you can see well. So let's play this out and we see how it did. And boom, market active now, entry active. So we are going to play this out until we see our take profit. So if someone is taking take profit, his first take profit around here, he or she is already in profit, and we can see that the market was going high to the zone. So this was my first entry that I took with my VIP guys, and I think you can see what happened. Only profits, guys, only profits. So the market hit TP1, hit TP2, then this was the last TP. So some of them had to close and others had to set BEs up to this zone, what we call stop losses inside, so that they can protect the account. So when the market comes back, of course, you go out with profits. Now, this entry is already giving some good profits. And as we can see now, the market has created another zone here. Why? Because we can see very well that the market has broken a higher high with, this is the breakout structure as we can see, and we are having imbalance and also order block, so, and also liquidity. So the market is coming for that, so I had to set that zone and the market is coming for that, and this is the zone that I had to set to so that I can make a re-entry or another entry. So let's wait for the market to come to that zone and we see what the market did in the zone. So now let me mark this zone and I put there a pending order. So this is what is it, this is what it is, and we are focused on those pips around there. And let me bring this one up a few pips, at least this one risked a few, like 10 pips. I'll show you the screenshots of this trade, and then we're targeting that high. Let's play this out and we see. So the reason as to why the market had to come back, of course, the market had been in an uptrend like this, and then there was a little, how can I call it, it's just a temporarily downtrend here, but with an unmitigated zone. So anytime the market reaches in these zones, it may react. And remember, we're having inefficiency below, so that's why we can't just exceed those zones for our take profits. There will be just enough for us. So now let's play this out and we see how it's going to react. And boom, all tip is hit. So those are the screenshots of the entries that we took on this market, and I think you can see how well they were organized and how we made profits, guys. How I made profits on these entries. So these are just simple things that you have to learn only if you come in on my classes, guys. They're just teaching you rubbish somewhere you are, and you're just following YouTube gurus that are not going to help you out. I'm not forcing anyone to come in my classes. It's all about only those who are serious, who want to learn and who want to change their lives. That's why I use even to put what we call giveaways for free funded accounts, so that some people can change their lives. So you can get to my classes and learn if you really want to understand how to trade each and every day and make money. All right, thank you. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share this video so that you can't miss more videos that are going to be teaching you guys soon. Ciao.